Okay, special announcement time. We are having a major contest. This is the first ever EvanEraTV Magic at Home video contest. I want to see your magic tricks. You guys have been watching me do magic for a long time. Now I want to see you do some magic. Since we're all at home right now, I thought it would be a great opportunity for you to make a video showing me your best magic trick. It can be something that you came up with yourself, something you learned here on How to Magic, or someone else's trick that you've practiced a lot. Submit your videos to this email address right here by May 17th. We'll be publishing an episode of How to Magic on May 22nd featuring your top 10 best videos. Myself and a panel of celebrity judges will determine which video will take home the top prize. And the grand prize for the video is 2 free VIP tickets to our very first How to Magic live show. The date of that is to be announced. A $250 shopping spree on EvanEraTV.com and $250 cash. The first runner-up will receive a $100 shopping spree to EvanEraTV.com, and the second runner-up will receive a $50 shopping spree. Not only that, but your videos will be featured in an episode of How to Magic and broadcast to millions around the world. So record a video on your phone or your camera at home of you performing your favorite magic trick and send your submissions to this email address right here, EvanEraTV.contest@gmail.com. You can put whatever you want in the subject. Just be sure to attach your video to the email and include your name so that me and my panel of celebrity guest judges can review and evaluate your submission. Full details of the contest are in the description of this video, and I look forward to seeing all of your amazing magic. Remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys. Stay safe.